Deutsche Bank had come to my college for the financial analyst placement, and I'm gonna share with you all the questions that they asked. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you all the questions that were asked and that I remember from Deutsche Bank's interview when they came to my college roughly 8 years back. So 2018 में आए थे, and I did get selected for that role. Fun fact, I did not take it. But let me tell you the story. Let's get started first. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, first things first, if you guys want to know the detailed story, I already have a video on the channel with that topic. I'm gonna add the link in the description box and I'll add it somewhere here as well, so you can check it out. You will get, like I said, the detailed story of what happened, how many rounds were there, etc. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you the questions that I remember. Along with what I remember, I've asked my classmates, my friends, some of which who took the job also, कि तुम्हें क्या क्या याद है, tell me. So I've collated as many questions that were asked in that particular interview. This is for the financial analyst role. Now they came with the financial analyst role to our college, but I was told today while doing this research, because आप लोगों के लिए मैं ये सब करती हूँ, that once the people who joined, who accepted the offer, a lot of them were put in different roles inside. So for example, one of my friends was put in valuations instead of just the basic financial analyst. So that is very common in college placements. Like they come with the most generic role, then they see उन्हें कौन पसंद आता है, and then आगे जाके they can change your role like ऐसे ही, like yeah, ऐसे ही they can do it. Then it's your choice whether you want to stay or not. So starting with the technical round, they had two main rounds, technical round and the panelist round, or the HR round as I call it. This was the one-on-one interview के 2 rounds. The rest of course they had a group discussion as well. वो आप दूसरे वीडियो में देख लेना. So the technical round, if you have done just a BCom or a BAF or from a commerce background, that was what majority of the college was, BMS, BMM, all these people were asked majorly accounting questions. Accounting questions were asked to everybody. So questions that were asked very commonly to me and to people. Ratios are something that they ask for sure. So I remember being asked PE ratio, dividend yield ratio, formula batao, interpretation batao, higher better, lower better. So these things you should be aware of. I was also asked what is depreciation, state the types of depreciation, because they knew that I was planning to give CFA level 1. So if you put that you're giving an exam like CFA, imagine that the interview is gonna get tougher. And imagine if you say that I've cleared CFA, तो कितना tough होगा. So when CFA is a boon, it can also get as a disadvantage. ऐसी जगहों पे in interviews they make it a little tough. So me and my other friend, I'm going to talk about the CFA people also, these were the questions we were asked. So types of depreciation. Now I actually did not remember the types के नाम. So I told the lady that, you know, I don't remember the names because I'm very bad with names. But I remember like the methods of all. I know कि इतने types and I'll explain you each. So she said, okay, go ahead. So I kept telling her, and after me explaining every method, she's like, this is this, this is this, this is this. So sometimes if you are in such a situation where you can't remember the name or you can't remember partial bit of the answer, you can try this trick. That's why I told you. Amortization was asked to me and to this friend of mine as well. What is amortization? How is it useful? What is the use of it, etc. So amortization was asked. Now my friend, who again also mentioned CFA, was asked how is a bond valued, what are the types of bonds, what is the differentiation between a vanilla bond and a floating bond, interest rates के बारे में पूछा था. So these questions are roughly asked. The technical round in Deutsche Bank is very, very technical. Whatever profile you put, so if you put you're from a commerce background, be ready to be grilled in accounts. Accounts तो भाई they want कि काफी strong हो. When I say accounts, like I said, basic balance sheet, P&L, cash flow, you know, you should know the basics of that completely. Plus ratios. Ratios, so they are like extremely desperate about. So ये हो गया technical round. Now comes the fun round. Let's come to the fun round, which is what we call the panelist round, or in more generic terms, the HR round. So even my friend actually was like, तेको पता है तनिष्का, मुझे actually panelist round ज़्यादा याद है. And I was like, bro, same. because that round was actually like, it was wow. So what happens is, you're sitting in a big conference room. That's what happened for us. One person in one chair, and aage there is a proper panel of 5 to 6 people, okay? And the panelist round is honestly the make or break round, because they know that you have the knowledge. Even if you are able to answer 7 out of 10 questions in the technical round, you'll go ahead, right? So it is the panelist round that is that make or break situation, and there they're checking your, like I keep telling you, soft skills. They're checking how can you deal with pressure, because what happens is, ये 6 लोगों में से they keep popping questions, like 3 to 4 people keep asking you questions together. This is what happened to my friends also. Like, you know, one person is asked a question, you're beginning to answer, and the other one throws another question, the other one throws another question. So how do you deal with such a situation? Do you stop the question, or do you first complete the question, or do you be like, I'll just get back to you after I answer this question? So they're checking how are you dealing with pressure, or do you get very bhoklau-fied? So this was done in the panelist round. They usually also throw in a very random situation, as they did for my friend. Usko yaad tha to main bataungi. When he was told something like, imagine you have 12 coins, one is a fake coin, the fake coin is extremely heavy, so how will you differentiate it from the rest? You have a weighing scale, you have only 30 seconds. And they really speak very fast in the panelist round, because they are literally putting you under pressure. Like, you know, if after you hear this question, I know a lot of you will be like, हाँ ये तो हम ऐसे आंसर करें. But imagine when 4 people are talking together, shooting that question, and then the other person's like, what's your family background? Okay, you like art, you like dance, how are you going to manage it with this job? What if you change your mind? And then another person's asking something. So that's what they do in the panelist round. My panelist round was honestly very fun. It started on a very good note. They were like, something happened kahin se, you know, ye family background, ऐसे questions करके, what is your passion? I said film. So they're like, also, you know, Anushka Sharma got married to Virat Kohli, because literally उस दिन पे हमारा interview हुआ था, like a week after. And I was like, yeah, and I'm very sad. They're like, oh, for Anushka Sharma? I said, no, for Virat Kohli, because I like him. And that kind of added humor. So when the situation becomes a little stressful, make sure you know, stay very calm and composed, and you break it through humor. So that's what I did. What that guy did was, he used a technique of, when 3-4 people were asking together, he learned to prioritize. कि जो सबसे पहले पूछा था, he just completed his question and then went to the other. So there are different techniques. Let me know if you want me to make a video on how to deal with pressure interviews, and I'll share those tips with you. But basically, the panelist round is the make or break round, because they literally grill you in that session. In that, they definitely ask you, do you have somebody who's working in Deutsche Bank, or who has been associated with Deutsche Bank? This is a very common question that they ask, but mostly generic questions. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? So they're literally checking, you know, how they're just checking your personality. One thing that I forgot to mention, I think in the previous story and this as well, are marks important when they come from college placements? In Deutsche Bank, there was no what do you call this, aptitude test. I think मैंने previous story में वो गलत बोल दिया था. There was no aptitude test. There was a CV screening round, wherein yes, 10th and 12th के grades देखे गए थे, and also your first and second year of college के marks देखे गए थे. Now I'm not saying that you need to be a topper, but they were definitely discarding people who had a very low score. So as per what I remember, the cutoff was at least distinction होना चाहिए. So 75 and above in 10th, 75 and above in 12th. That was like something they were seeing. They never specified it, but हमें दिख के आ रहा था कि the people who did not get 75 or were in less than 75, they were not called for the technical round at all. So you can do the math here, that is very, very important, the score. And it's not that I'm scaring you people कि board के marks की वजह से आपके exam होंगे, ऐसे नहीं होता. Usually board marks to a certain extent are only important till your first job. Thereafter nobody really cares. Also, like I said, they're not checking for toppers, but a basic sense of IQ they want. Like, they will not take somebody who's like scored a 50 for a role that, you know, requires a little bit of studying, because उसमें है studies का, and as a fresher they really have nothing to, you know, fall you back upon. So that's why they kind of use marks, but basic good marks also work. One last question that they asked everybody is their college projects. So for people who are running away from college activities, college projects, they really, really check this. Do not, you know, skip that bit, guys. Please work on your college activities, college projects. अच्छे से करो, because it really helps in getting into such big companies. Now I'm ending this video. Somehow मेरे को लगा मेरी आवाज़ जा रही है. I don't know why, but मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है. But yes, I'm ending this video. If there's anything else that you want to know, let me know, and I will do my best to answer it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.